Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a completely rebuilt Greerco 2L homogenizing mixer. It's the size up from their lab one. It's really the pilot size machine for small batches, 5 gallon, maybe up to 20 depending on the nature of the solids you're running. As you can see, it's mounted on a portable stand and it has a manual lift system right here. And of course, as you know, we want to always run your homogenizer in fluid. There's a bushing at the base of it, which will easily get quickly worn out because of the high friction and high speed. This particular runs at 7,200 RPM. We replaced all the bearings in it, as well as it's got a new rotor in it. And as you can see, you should have a deflector plate lower down a little bit more for you. You see that the fluid actually pushes the deflector plate back up. Now you can adjust that however your mix calls for. Got a brand new Baldor motor on it. Baldor makes these for this particular homogenizer. They run at 7,200 RPM. As you get to the larger sizes, of course, because of the larger rotor, you achieve the same peripheral tip velocity with a lower speed. We have lots of homogenizers in our stock like this, so I hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you. Thanks for joining us today.